Hey Decent family, Keerthi here and cheerful to see you in Interaction Treasure, and in this video we are going to see how I made a great learning experience in Figma community file itself, because it's not like a normal template file guys, it's feel like a mini course because it's a separate mini course. So in instance we take a stepper grow navigation, so we have to start it. So this is a brand new thumbnail for stepper grow navigation, because you have to identify that YouTube thumbnail is same and it's similar to the community file for better identification. So this is the separator, because for the better grouping I use this separator. There is no use here, it's just empty to make the better accessibility and a great clear view. So the gem part of the course is learning map. So in this learning map, okay, you find him, right? Who is he? His name is Rookie actually. If you are a designer learning alone, no worries, he is always with you and guide you from starting to end. And so you get a question, what is learning map actually? Okay, I hear that. Learning map is nothing but try to avoid the searching for where is the video, where is the starter kit, and where I have to find those kind of steps. So this map will guide you from starting to end, from watching videos to practice it and get the rewards as well. So no more wait, we start this map. So here the start button and click the go to frame. Okay, there is a two kind of steps here. One is the map, learning map, where you are currently and where you have to reach it. And here is the progress, like watching video and do it yourself and get your recognition. Okay, so in this watch video, just click to watch and go to watch the YouTube video of the stepper grow now. And I don't force you. You have to first must watch the video and then you have to practice it. There is no more restriction here. If you want to see the video and parallelly practice it, it's up to you guys. This is designed as per your wish. So at any time you have to move to the do it yourself starter file. So okay, back to the form. So once I watched the video, I entered into the do it yourself. So this sentence is especially dedicated to you guys. Yeah, practice will make you unicorn and you are not expected to start it from scratch. I already mentioned you, this interaction test is completely focused on the prototyping interactions alone, not the designing kind of steps. So we provide you the starter kit and the completed file as well. The starter kit is for practicing purpose. So every design kind of steps are there. So you have to start it from that file itself. So just, hey, you noticed it? You traveled to second point. Yeah, because we watched the video, right? So you have to come here and there is the one more step to reach the treasure. Okay, eager to see what the surprise is here, right? So before enter into the treasure part, you have to complete the practice. So once you done it, you get that surprise. So here is the go to starter file. And one more thing I want to mention is, if you want to back to the watch video, just click it and go to frame. Yeah, that's pretty simple, right? And if you want to again go to do it yourself, there is a two kind of navigation here. One, if you want to click it here, it will go to next frame, or you want to click it here, continue, it will also go to next frame. Or another thing is, if you select the whole frame and press shift N to go back to the frame and press N to go to next frame. Okay, so now we are going to enter into the starter file. Yes, the starter file is here. So I provide you the starter kit for every step. So it make easy your job and you have to completely focus on prototyping as well. So once you done the practice and video watching, and finally in the part of, yes, I heard from you, because you do the continuous practice and the consistent learning, so surely I have to appreciate your effort. So I have a surprise for you. Once you've done the practice, they just click the get your trophy. So go to frame. You practiced this interaction very intensely, so we made a little surprise for you. Yes, yes. So go to that frame. Hey, 1 minute, 1 minute. You notice that, right? You reach the final treasure. Yes, that is the celebration mode here, right? Okay. So we have to see what it is. Go to frame. Okay. Yes, it's a rocking moment for your learning trip. And guys, I don't reveal what inside that surprise is because you have to reveal it. So I didn't showcase what are the steps under there. So once you've done the practice, you enter into this section and reveal your surprise by yourself. Okay, I have to complete it from here. And I want to tell you one thing, guys. You definitely do a lot of learning and lot of practice in this interaction treasure, but I have to ask you the one request, like once you've done the practice, please take a screenshot it and post it in LinkedIn and tag me because I would like to see your learning progress and learning works. Yes, and thank you. Hope you enjoy this video and thank you for your patience. Happy prototyping.